Want to play Fortnite? I'll quickly show you here how to download it on Android, okay? So, you can't download it from the Play Store, so you're going to open Google. You can open your browser, alright? Then on Google, you'll go to the Epic Games website. You can click here on the first option. The official site will appear. You click on it. Once you're on the site, you'll see the option there to install it. You're going to click on this option, install, click on install. Again, you click here, install on Android, so you can install the store and download Fortnite. This message will pop up, but don't worry, okay? It's on the official site. You can't download it from anywhere else, alright? Click on download anyway. You can click. Downloading up here, it's already downloaded. Now you click to open it. Notice that in my case here, my phone isn't allowing the installation, so I have to change this in the settings. So I'm going to click here on the settings option and give permission so we can install it. I'm going to click here to allow it, and then as you can see, Epic Games already appears here. If I want to install it, I do, so I'm going to click install. We need to install it so we can download Fortnite on Android, okay? First, we install Epic Games here on Android. Once it's installed, you can click to open it. Now here, you're going to click to get started. You'll need to log in. If you're new, you can click here to create an account. It's quick. If you already have an account, enter it here and click continue, okay? I'm going to create one quickly here. I'll click create an account. They're going to ask here if you've played any of these games on your computer before. If you click yes, it means you already have an account. In my case, no. So I'm going to click no here and quickly create an account, okay guys? You just fill it out and create the account as usual. I entered my birth date. Now it goes to the login screen. I'm going to click here to log in with Google. You can log in with your Apple account or with your email. I want to use my Google account. I'm going to choose an account here. You can scroll down and click continue. It's really simple. Now I'm here to complete the registration, guys. If you already have an account, you don't need to do this part, okay? I'm going to complete it here. I'll click that I agree with the terms of service and I'll finish filling this out. I filled it in, put the name I want to appear on the display, and now I'll click continue. It asks here if I want notifications. I don't want to receive notifications, so I'm going to click to do this later. And that's it, guys. Fortnite already shows up here for you to download on your Android. If it doesn't show up right away for you, you can click on the magnifying glass and search for Fortnite, okay? Then you just need to click here to install it. Again, they ask you to enable notifications. This time I'm going to click allow and the download starts here. As you can see, I'm downloading Fortnite here on Android. It's simple, you just wait for it to download. As you can see, for my security, once again, they're going to ask for this setting here, okay? To allow it, you click on settings and then click here to give this permission again. I've given this permission. Fortnite appears here. Do you really want to install it? You click install and that's it. Let's wait here. It's already showing up here as installed. You can click to open it. Here it asks if you want notifications. I don't want them, so I'm going to click to not allow. It's still downloading here, guys. As you can see, you need 6 gigabytes available. So it's going to keep downloading here. Let's wait for it to finish downloading. 12% downloaded. Let's wait here a bit. 48%. It takes a little while, guys. Almost 4 gigabytes downloaded. It's a little over 6 gigabytes. Let's wait. Once it's finished downloading, it will show up for you to access your account. You click, your username will already appear. You confirm it, click on continue logging in. The terms of service will come up. You click here to accept. Wait a bit, it's connecting, and that's it, guys. There you go. My phone has already switched automatically. Here they will explain about a feature called voice reporting. Basically, when voice chat is on, the game can record small segments of conversations, okay? This happens in cycles of a few minutes. These recordings are only sent to the company Epic Games if someone reports inappropriate behavior, alright? So it's a safety feature. So if you want to use this feature, you click here to activate it. I'm going to click. Now it's time for you to choose your team so you can start playing. And that's it, everyone. The game has been successfully installed. That's how you download Fortnite on your Android phone, alright? I hope I helped, and if I did, help me out too. Subscribe to the channel.